friends, welcome to my channel Harshio Edu, and we have already talked about lots and lots of videos related to upgrad, and many a times I have got emails related to free courses which can be provided from upgrad. So let's see what all free courses available at upgrad. So we'll go to Google and type upgrad free courses. Ta-da! So there are plenty of free courses. You have to just go to upgrad.com and then free courses. Click on the link. There you go. So there are some quick courses related to business basics like customer centricity, e-skills in healthcare, mastering art of effective communication, human behavior, introduction to Excel and data analytics, business analytics, and many more. There are some free courses related to data science, like introduction to Python, learning basics of Python, learn MS SQL, MySQL. Some more related to fundamentals of marketing, social media marketing, getting influencers. Some related to machine learning. If you want to learn linear regression or logistic regression, it's right here. It's totally free. Some related to technologies like NFTs, cryptocurrencies, JavaScript, product management, and some that helps you in planning your career. So now the question is, how do I avail these courses? So let's say if I want to learn about NFTs, I'll just click on register. So I already have account on upgrad, that's why mine is logged in. So if you click on it, it will ask about your mobile number and email ID. It's very simple, and then this page will show up. So basically this is upgrad's learning management system. You are already registered to this course. Now you'll have to just click on continue learning, and it will ask you about some of the questions. Just ignore these pages. The reason why are you joining this course. I'll say I have intermediate skills. And how about your communications, creativity skills, critical thinking, and problem solving? There you go. So this has come with digital first approach. You can just click or read it and click on next, and it will take you to the end. You can just enter the mark time, how much time you used in minutes. You can rate the course to about the content wise or anything that you like. It's just an example that I'm showing, guys, and click on submit. Once you submit, it will show that congratulations, you successfully completed the course, and then you can flaunt this on your LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you want. So let's go one more time. So these are the list of free courses. So now let's say I want to learn marketing. So I'll go to marketing. I'll click on this fundamental of marketing and then click register. There you go. fundamentals of marketing. So if you click on this, basically there is no video, that's why it's showing congratulations. You have to just read it. Let's say if you took 20 minutes, just click on submit, and then you can show this wherever you want. So these are the small courses. Let's say if I go to a bigger course, I wanted to show you a bigger course. Let's say if I want to learn data science, into that basics of Python. Now if I go here, see, this has videos about the course structure and everything. So what I wanted to say, so when you go to these pages, just don't click on 1x 2x and just run for the course. Actually go through it to learn it, so that you can grab some knowledge about it. Just don't run behind the certifications. Actually work on your learnings too. So I'm really thankful to upGrad for creating these kinds of small courses which are really very valuable in market. And you have Q&A sections too. If you click on this, and you can ask any doubt, ask a question, and you can ask doubt too. So upGrad has very much interactive learning management system. See, so by this you can have some social networking too. On this note, I'll take a bye, guys, and keep subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more valuable videos for you. Have a nice day.